Hi everyone, in front of me I've got HUAWEI MatePad 11.5 PaperMatte, and let me share with you how to change the wallpaper on this device. So let's start with opening the settings, and here in this left section we have to scroll and find home screen and style. So right here we've got themes and wallpapers. First of all, I will focus on the wallpapers because here we've got some pre-installed options from which we can choose, and then I will also show you the themes because here we've got other let's say wallpapers which are not available right here. However, after choosing it from this section you will also change the theme. But or maybe I can show it to you first of all. So let's tap on themes, and here we've got some options from which you can choose. As you can see here, we've got, for example, symbol patterns. You can personalize them, so just tap on personalize here and you will be able to choose the options that will appear on the home page. So for example, the bunny, maybe the tiger, and whatever, maybe this bunny also. Here you've got the style, so the style in which the emojis or those icons will be placed. So it's up to you. You can choose something which is interesting. Here you've got the element size, so you can make them bigger or smaller, completely up to you. Also the background, of course, we can change the background color. You can also tap on this option here, and I'm not sure what is that. I don't know. But you can tap on it. And icon colors, so the icons that will appear on the home screen, you can also change the colors, and you can turn them off so they will go back to the defaults. Here you've got also don't save. Let me go back. Here you've got also magazine, for example, and some classic options from which you can choose. So highly recommend to actually check those options because they are really interesting. Moreover, after getting back, we can enter the wallpapers. So here we've got pre-installed options from which we can choose. So here we've got some suggested ones: scenic, light, vibrant, refined, and colors. You can also tap on more wallpapers to choose something from the themes, where you've got I believe wallpapers which are free of charge. So let me set maybe this one. So just tap on the specific wallpaper to show it on the full screen. Here we've got this blur icon, so the drop icon, and after tapping on it we can change the blur effect just by using this slider or switcher. So of course set it just like you want, or you can completely turn it off. And here we've got this eye icon, so you can check how it will look like after applying. You can also make it scrollable, which means that the wallpaper will change the position after scrolling to the other page. Alright, so to finish everything, to apply the wallpaper, simply tap on apply, and now you can decide where you want to set it, so as a lock screen, home screen, or both. And I'll choose both options, so let me tap on it. And let's wait a second. Now we can go back, and as you can see, the wallpaper has been applied successfully. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.